Hi there, students. Hell for leather. It means as fast as you can. Okay, it can be used either as an adverbial phrase or as an adjectival phrase. He ran hell for leather for the door. So to drive hell for leather, to ride hell for leather, to run hell for leather, to cycle hell for leather, or maybe a hell for leather chase. So it means to go as fast as possible, reckless speed. Speed at the expense of everything else, especially safety and sanity. Like a bat out of hell, yeah? Okay, so to go as fast as you can. He rode hell for leather for the finish line. When the police arrived at the party, I ran hell for leather for the back door. In our modern society seems to be a hell for leather competition to gain as much money and power as possible. Okay, so we're using this phrase hell for leather at the expense of everything else. I get the idea that this comes from riding horses. And I personally think the leather is the whip. And you are you're beating your horse very hard to make it go as fast as possible. And you aren't worrying about whether this is going to hurt your horse or not. Yeah, you just keep whipping the horse to make it go faster and faster. And you're not considering if the horse will ever be able to run again or walk again. Okay, so to do something hell for leather, to do it as fast as you can, this order needs to be finished by tomorrow morning, so we're going to have to work hell for leather to finish it in time. So notice, you can use it for physical speed, but you can also use it to mean to do as quickly as possible. Yeah, hell for leather. The animals in the forest saw the fire, or they smelt it, and they ran hell for leather in all directions. Okay, so the people ran hell for leather to get out of the burning house. Okay, so hell for leather, as fast as possible. So, your next question, what about formality? I think this is probably neutral formality. You could certainly use it in an informal conversation. I think you could also use it in a semi-formal writing. It sounds quite literary, although in a very formal document, as quickly as possible, with reckless speed, something like that. Okay, so hell for leather, like a bat out of hell, at breakneck speed, yeah? Speed at the expense of everything else. So when you see a notification that I've released a new video, you go hell for leather to YouTube to watch it, I'm sure. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hell for leather.